Today we're looking at the Narwal Freo Z10 robot vacuum and mop. A big thanks to Narwal for sending us the sample, but as always we're giving you our genuine opinion. If you're interested, you'll find the purchase link in the description. Now let's get unboxing. Inside the box you will find the vacuum, self-emptying station, left and right side brushes, power cord, product literature, and bottle of cleaning solution. Setup is simple, just snap the color-coded side brushes in place, install the cleaning solution, then charge it up and fill it up. Now let's get cleaning. After our first clean with the Z10, we were genuinely impressed by how much it picked up. Exactly what you'd expect in a home with 5 people, 3 of them long-haired, and a long-haired dog, crumbs, dirt, and fine dust. The amount of hair collected really showcases the effectiveness of its zero tangling roller brush, which has quickly become our favorite for hairy households. You won't find a better brush design on the market. It really is tangle-free. A big shout out to the self-cleaning station, particularly the mop washing and drying feature, which is fantastic. The station stands out with a few high-end features: automatic detergent dispensing, self-cleaning capabilities, and AI adaptive hot water mop washing, which intelligently adjusts the water temperature based on the type of dirt detected. Speaking of AI, it also analyzes the dirt levels in the wastewater to determine if additional mopping is necessary. A clever and efficient way to ensure your floors are truly clean. The mop pads have held up well overall, but after some of our more intense testing, we did notice slight discoloration and staining at the very center of both pads. The Narwal app, available on both iOS and Android devices, delivers a feature-rich experience with a clean, intuitive interface. It supports voice commands from Amazon, Apple, and Google, making hands-free operation a breeze. You can choose from a variety of cleaning modes: full, room, or zone cleaning, with adjustable suction power and mop wetness levels. Prefer to let the robot decide? Just activate Freo mode and it will intelligently manage the cleaning for you. The app also supports multi-level mapping, complete with customizable no-go zones. A standout feature is the ability to expand or contract room boundaries during map editing, allowing for more precise layout adjustments, something you don't often see. Other thoughtful touches include real-time accessory tracking, so you'll always know when it's time to clean or replace filters and brushes. And if you prefer a fully automated experience, you can schedule cleanings and forget about it. Once everything is set up, there's no need to open the app again. With over 100 different robot vacuums tested, we're comparing the Z10 to our baseline averages. In terms of cost, the Z10 lands above the typical mid-range models, but still below flagship level pricing. It fits into the premium category, just under Narwal's very own Freo Z Ultra, as well as competitors like the Dreamy X50 Ultra and Roborock Saros 10R. At this price point, we'd expect above average performance in premium features, and the Z10 delivers. Starting with suction power, the Z10 boasts the highest of any Narwal vacuum at 15,000 pascals, which is well above average. In terms of airflow, this is measured in-house. It scored 9.1 CFM, which is nearly 2 points above the typical result. While suction and airflow are great indicators of cleaning performance, our carpet deep clean test is the gold standard. The Z10 earned an impressive 95 out of 100, above average as expected, and in line with other Freo models. The brand average is 93 for those that are wondering. In terms of noise, the Z10 peaked at 76 decibels on max suction, which is slightly louder than average but not disruptive. On its quietest setting, it runs as low as 55 decibels, ideal for those sensitive to noise. Mop lifting height is also above average, and every millimeter matters, especially when it comes to keeping mop pads off your carpets and rugs. One standout feature is the Z10's next level zero tangling system. The dual flow, tangle-free design combines side brushes that help loosen hair with Narwal's floating conical roller brush. Arguably the best hair detangling system on the market. On the mopping front, the Z10 excels. Its triangular mop pads apply consistent downward pressure for maximized cleaning and surface coverage. It can extend its mop pads to reach under toe kicks and deeper into corners. A unique feature called corner reverse allows it to extend into corners and then back into them, ensuring better edge coverage. The base station is equally impressive. It offers hot water mop washing, hot air drying, and even self-cleaning capabilities. The removable tray allows for easy manual cleaning as well. Narwal's Dirt Sense technology detects how dirty the water is and determines whether a second pass is needed. This ensures thorough cleaning while conserving water and reducing unnecessary washes. Additional highlights include self-emptying with dust compression, which reduces the frequency of bag replacements. There's also an option to activate dust bag drying, which gently ventilates the bag to prevent odors and inhibit bacterial growth. There's a lot to love about the Narwal Freo Z10. For the price, you get flagship level features without the flagship price. It includes the best detangling system we've tested, an excellent mopping system with extend, swing, and reverse motion, and an all-in-one base station featuring hot water washing, hot air drying, detergent dispensing, dirt detection, and dust compression. That said, there are still a few areas of improvement. Obstacle avoidance was the biggest one, and it was only average in our tests. The Freo Z Ultra's advanced camera-based recognition system is notably absent here. We're thrilled that mop extension is finally included, but we would love to have seen side brush extension as well, which would improve edge coverage during both vacuuming and mopping. As it stands, corner cleaning still isn't quite 100%. In conclusion, the Narwal Freo Z10 is a thoughtfully designed, high-performing robot vacuum and mop that brings a lot to the table, especially for households dealing with pet hair and heavy foot traffic. It combines powerful suction, advanced mopping features, and a truly impressive base station into one smart, well-integrated system. While there's still room for improvement in obstacle avoidance and corner cleaning, the Z10 offers a premium experience without the premium flagship price. If you're looking for a reliable, feature-packed robot cleaner with top-tier hair management and smart automation, the Z10 is absolutely worth considering.